Here we go, guys. Back to another live stream on Bitcoin and the market. I just want to check a few levels. I mean, I already charted everything. I know, and we know already where things can bounce back and forth and which are the main levels to look for. This live stream will be very short. I just want to check the main levels on the higher time frame. Then we can go check the lower time frame and see what happened there, because we broke market structure in the lower time frame, but we didn't break it in the higher time frame yet. And this level here, this candle close, was the main resistance level at the end. And what happened? Price retest the level and was not able to close above it. That would have been a start of a bullish reversal, even though to call this a reversal we should have actually broke above this level. Oh, sorry. So to call for a bullish reversal, we have to actually make an higher high and break the swing low. The swing low at this point is this one. Sorry, the swing high at this one, and this is the level that we have to take in order to call this for a bullish reversal. Actually, price could even do this and go down, and this will still be a downtrend. It could go this, not break the high, go retest the level, go here, and this will be actually a break of market structure, because we actually made here a higher high. This will be a swing high, this will be higher high, this will be officially break of the market structure. Until we do that, we're still in a downtrend. If we see, guys, the daily chart at the downtrend, let me see, I don't remember anymore what tools are. I just want to the brush. The downtrend is this, guys, the local downtrend, okay? And this is the reason why trading is so tricky sometimes, because on different time frames we can see different things. So on the daily time frame, this is a major downtrend, but of course if we switch to the weekly time frame, we will see a massive uptrend. Okay, so this is still an uptrend. Okay, so you have to be able to switch between time frames and see confluences between one or more, and go from there, or just trace level on different time frame and see how the market structure breaks and so on. So on the weekly, we're still bullish here. As I said, let me go take another clean chart, otherwise this is gonna be messy. As I wrote here, I'm really looking at this level, guys, and we're still above it. We have 7 hours left here. 7 hours left to close above the swing low. 7 hours left to close above that, and we're still above it. Hopefully we close that. That could be a start. And then we have to see on the 1 hour time frame if how the market structure reacts, how the levels there. We're gonna take a look in a few moments there. So yeah, the weekly still bullish. This would be a low, a swing low that could start a bearish outcome, that could give a bearish outcome in case this price does this, for example, like from here it goes here and then keeps moving downward, this could be a start of a bearish trend because it would print a lower low. This will be the low, or even this one, and the lower low. But I still want to see candle close. I want to see how candle close and go from there. Because as I said many times on the previous low, every time the bulls were able to close above like they did here, we had a low and price closed above. We had just a wick, price closed above, and boom, we went up. We had a low here too. We had a low here, bulls protected the level, price went up. We had also another low here, bulls were able to close above it here. So there was just a wick and price boom went up. Here it's actually doing the same. So this was a low, price dropped down, but bulls are trying to keep the price above this swing, and that could be okay for the bulls, and price might go up here, retest, and keep going. This could be also, I mean, let's do this for example. I'm just picturing a bull flag here. So we might have a channel right there. Could be a bull flag. Could be a wedge pattern. Still bullish in the big picture if we see like this, you know. But I really would like to see. I would really like to see the price to hit this order block. That would be something. At least we take some demand and we go up. Like, why stopped here? Why stopping here? It just stopped in the middle of nowhere. Just because there is this support, diagonal support. I don't like to see the diagonal trend lines, to be honest, because sometimes they're tricky, as it happened in the 1 hour time frame. I'm gonna show you now. Because in this case, I can trace a trend line like this. I could trace another trend line like this, and things are breaking down, you know. 1 second, someone is calling me. Sorry, I was just texting on Telegram. I was just saying, let's go check the lower time frame, because we know what's going on here. Broadening wedge, I was saying, I couldn't remember the name, but that was a broadening wedge pattern. Could even be a flat top broadening wedge. Flat top broadening wedge. So let me close Telegram, otherwise I'm not gonna. This is almost flat, but yeah, more a broadening wedge. So let's go check closer, because we have a more idea what's going on in the lower time frame. Oh, let me grab my chart. So this one, the downtrend right there. Price is actually bouncing between the candle close level and the swing low, the wick. Price is just fighting inside there. Look how precise this chart is. Whether a higher low right here that closed above the candle, and price actually went up a bit, then it reached the swing low here and just dropped like hell. Price actually bounced before the candle closed here. That's why I put this blue arrow here, and it was good for Bitcoin, but then I just wasn't able to make a higher high. Locally it did. I mean, if we trace this as a high, it actually make in the local trend a higher high, but this was for sure a better level to check, and we will see this happening in the shorter time frame too. So then when price dropped, it dropped all the way down here, didn't touch demand or support, spikes back up and closed above the swing low. That's why price, there was a bullish hammer here. The bullish hammer triggered for sure some buy orders, and price went all the way up to resistance to then drop again. I posted a chart yesterday in the channel to advise you guys, we need to break here for the bulls to be happy, and this didn't happen. So we're still bouncing here. We could bounce here for a while probably. I mean, if the candle closed, the weekly candle closed above this level, we could do something like this, a consolidation, even a fight between the bulls and the bears, and then see if we just keep going down following the local downtrend here, or we are able to break. So this will be a key level, guys. 58.4. It's a key level for now. So on the daily, 58.4, on the weekly, 58%, at the same level, yeah. So there is some confluence. Let's go check the lower time frame, because I want to see what happened there. I was just looking at the 1 hour. I still have my my drawings on this one. Okay, I try to make it as clear as possible. I just traced level here of resistance. I traced the block, and I traced the green lines are actually a bullish market structure, local at least, you know, high, low, higher, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So it was starting to do something, but this was the major level of resistance, even though even the resistance lines made by the lower low are very important here. So in order to break the market structure, we needed to take out this high here, or lower high, however you want to call it. I started to turn bullish because as you can see, the downtrend here made by the black line, here was actually broken. So I started to turn a little bit bullish. Then price broke above resistance, to turn now into support, but I didn't respect this a lot at all, so I will delete that, because I don't need that level anymore. It didn't act as a support at this point. The price dropped all the way down to the swing high of this little uptrend idea. So it's still it still could be a retest, to be honest. And if you notice, I left the major swing level as a big major level for me to watch, and price react back to that level. Okay, so this is not so bearish. I mean, what's bearish about this, to be honest? Let's see what's bullish, what's bearish. What's bullish is actually the fact that we made a swing high here, and we made a higher high right there. Now we went down, we stopped above previous high, and this is still good for the bulls locally. I mean, price could just start to go up again here and take out this high and keep. If it would do this, this would be an uptrend, okay, right there. But it really needs to take out this high here. This high, taking out this high and this low, which is which are both working as resistance, plus this new high. We have a strong level right now, above around 58.5, which is the same level I just checked on the weekly and the daily. So key level right now, guys, is 58.5. That's the level to take out in order to break market structure, at least in the 1 hour time frame. Why I'm saying at least in the 1 hour time frame? Because again, if we check the daily, I'm gonna say this again, in order to turn bullish, we need to take out this high, and that would be around, let's make the swing to, or let's check a confluence here, 63.3, that would be bullish. But you know, we have to start from something, so I would keep an eye on the 1 hour time frame to see how it's moving, and then go up from there. So you guys have to switch between time frame to see what's better. I mean, here it's making some kind of retracement. Let's see. I know. Oh, don't know if it's a channel or not. I mean, but it's kind of making a bull flag, a small bull flag, which couldn't be bad for the price. I mean, a retracement doesn't mean we're dying here. We're still above the high. We're still above the major swing level. So it's confusing. It's confusing. It's very hard. I won't attempt any major trade here. I would like to see the weekly close, which is gonna close in 7 hours. I said the daily close, if it stays above a major swing low, and yeah. Let me see if I have any other chart I raised these days to show you what I got. Those are the daily levels. As I said, we might bounce here back and forth and consolidate before finding either a bullish idea right there, or a bearish one. I mean, I'm not a magician. I don't know what it will do until this happens. We have to see price action in order to confirm things. Or else, let's see if I have any other thing. This was the chart I made yesterday. To be honest, I even wanted to to trace one from here. I didn't, but I said in the channel we also needed to break this local resistance, and it didn't. So I don't need this anymore. This was just an example of break of market structure. If we do this and we take out this high and this supply level, we will make an higher high and market structure will be broken on the daily time frame. Here still showing you the major downtrend. Every time we had a doji, we dropped here indecision, and we're still dropping, and we have this bad rejection there. I really thought it wouldn't happen, but it happened. So see here, I wrote bull must protect this low, and they are doing it in the daily. We are above that level. Price dropped on that level, as I show you on the 1 hour time frame, the orange level. We're still above that, so that's still good. That's still good. On the weekly, we're closing. We're about to close in 7 hours above that level, so still good. You know, nothing too scary at the moment. And the gap we have to see what happened to the gap here. We have to see how we open on Monday, and that could be there could be a gap when price the candle opens on Monday. We might have a little gap, so price might drop down to 56 to close, to fill the gap, then go back up maybe. So we are at what, 57, so we have still 7 hours to drop and make no gap on the CME chart. I see what total is doing, probably very similar to Bitcoin, yeah. Okay, let's go check very quickly Ethereum. I have here another chart. So Ethereum bounce on demand, which was very cool. Still slightly more bullish than Bitcoin, because price actually didn't drop below the swing low. Like, this was the major swing low. Bitcoin actually dropped all the way down. Ethereum didn't do that. If we had to trace this as an ABC correction, 1, 2, 3, Bitcoin actually arrived here, and Ethereum is making a double bottom pattern if this thing keeps going up. Again, on the daily, we're still in a downtrend. I still have this sign here. We're still in a downtrend. We broke below demand here. Now turning to resistance, as you guys can see. I put this question mark there because we really need to break above that. If we break above that, price will probably push all the way up to 330, because there is no resistance here. I mean, the only small resistance is this swing low there, and price might actually, if it breaks this level, important level, price might go up here, and it still will be bearish, you know. Will still be bearish in the 1 hour, in the daily time frame, and could keep going down. I mean, if you see this, that there's nothing wrong with it, you know. Or for the bullish scenario, we might break here, go up there, have a confirmation here on the swing high, and then start to make a local bullish market structure and keep going up. Okay. Yeah, so for Ethereum, the two levels to watch are 370 for the breakout here, 370, and keep an eye on 2950 for a support. It's doing the same thing as Bitcoin. It's bouncing up and down right here, so we might see some again some accumulation before going either up or down. Let's go check the weekly on Ethereum. Let's see what are the levels. Well, we're way above the candle close here. There is some resistance at this point where all candles closed up, try to close above this swing low candle close, but that's way too high, I think. I won't consider that as a major level. This one, it's more important if we close above this. And we'll see if Bitcoin will be able to close it below that in 7 hours. I mean, we have to dump really hard. Let's go check the 1 hour time frame to see how it's doing. So yesterday, if you followed the live stream, I traced a level from this low. This could be also supply level. And the price hit that level and it's got rejected, so it didn't break the market structure. It just broke market structure locally because he made a higher high. If we consider this as a swing high, it actually broke that level, touched that here, retested, went back up, and now it's dropping. So it's slightly on the 1 hour time frame, is slightly more bearish than Bitcoin, because Bitcoin actually no, this is Ethereum, sorry. What is Bitcoin here? Bitcoin actually is bouncing above swing high here, so that's slightly more bullish than Ethereum. Ethereum didn't bounce here, actually dropped a little bit more to take out demand at this level. Okay, so it's actually precisely bounced on that demand. Let's make this green, and we have to see. So let's keep an eye on this downtrend here and see if it decides to break or keep going down. So again, on the 1 hour time frame, I still have the level 370 to check. So this will be the major level to keep an eye on. 7 hours we got. In 7 hours, those are hourly candles. So in 7 hours, it needs to go back up here. Can he do it? This will be a local bullish market structure if we does this. Started to make a... It didn't make an higher low yet, but it made an higher high. It would be nice for this to close above this blue line right here, but it didn't. And that's it, guys. I don't have any more things to show you. I will post some charts in the channel to summarize what I did in the live stream. Okay, well, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in another live stream. Bye.